The lfbros into Pro Diesel heating. Gotta say, I really like the way it looks. The black finish is super sleek and cool. Power cable, muffler, hot air duct, air intake duct, wiring harness. Putting it together is pretty easy. Just snap the intake and outlet into place with the clips. Connect the wiring harness. Now we're mounting it on the tent. It's way too cold out. The air coming out is already really hot. I've only been inside the tent running it for less than 10 minutes. I set it to 20 degrees and it's already at 20 to inside. As for noise, there's basically hardly any. I can totally live with it.